flying 2,800 kilometers.
From Beijing to Urumqi.
I am at Jiaqu in China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region.
We will explore green cooperation along the Silk Road. Xinjiang, we are coming.
104. But here only the Rodent.
This is the Taarim Desert Highway passing through the world's second largest shifting sand desert. It is often called the Sea of Death. To prevent the erosion of the highway from the shifting sand, a project was launched in 2003 to build shelter forests. You know what? In just 2 years, a green belt took shape.
The scientists, they work here at the beginning. Now totally about 35 years they work here. They introduced more than 40 varieties and the desert plants. And finally, as we can see here, they selected 5 or 6 varieties which are suitable to the local condition, dry condition, soil condition. So now we can see from the growth of these plants, they are very successful. And the survival rate is as high as I know, about 85%. This green belt works very well. And they played effective roles in sand stabilization and in the environment protection. This is why we invited some scientists from some desert countries to visit. We introduce, we exchange each other and let them learn something from our experiences.
According to my observation during these 2 days, and you are like a green ambassador introducing Chinese technologies and skills to the foreign experts. And so what do you think of the green cooperation between China and other countries?
Most countries in the desert region, they have the same problems like what we have here. So if our success experiments are very useful to our situation, I believe they are also useful to the other countries. This is one of the best solutions to improve not our cooperation, but our friendship, especially between the institutions, academies, and universities.
I think it's very good achievement that Chinese people has been doing in the past years, and we have learned a lot of things about this achievement. It's a huge project that we need in our countries, not only in our countries, in the neighborhood countries.
Over 1,400 kilometers away from Xinjiang is Astana, the capital of Kazakhstan. Astana has an extreme continental climate with warm summers and long, cold winters. In order to improve the environment, the government launched the Green Belt project in 1994 around the city of Astana. A group of Chinese scientists led by Wang Yongdong have been supporting the project for years, and their efforts are highly appreciated by the Kazakh expert.
Задача перед ними стояла создать экологический барьер вокруг города Астаны. В 2016 году было завезено из Китая 5000 штук черенков от различных видов древесных кустарных пород. Их было 33 вида. Когда мы посчитали приживаемость осенью, все лето за ними мы вели наблюдение вместе с нашими китайскими коллегами, где присутствовали профессор Шу Шувень, профессор Ванг Юдонг. И кроме того, вот на тех 22 гектарах, которые мы создали в зеленом поясе города Астаны, они показали себя положительно в том плане, что они выполняют хорошую экологическую защиту от ветра и являются хорошей защитой не только от ветра, но и к тому же они являются как бы снегонакопителями на будущую весну. Поэтому вот инновационность проекта в этом – это новые виды, которые были завезены вот из Китая.
绿色思路呢是一个很广的范畴，聚焦到我们荒漠化防治领域来说呢，我们就是希望将中国的这种防沙治沙技术成果，能够在“一带一路”国家能够得到应用与推广，使当地的这种生活。当地的生态环境能够好起来，使当地的人民福祉能够更加的美好起来。
我认为，不管是在中亚也好，或者这样在非洲也好，就说是推广我们的技术和经验呢，这个呢都需要 跟当地的实际情况相结合起来。阿斯塔纳这一块的话，它是因为在草原地带嘛，风大，完了以后的话，它有300毫米左右的降雨，怎么利用这个降雨，在这个草原上来进行，就是说是这个种植，生态林带吧，能改善这个环境。不管到任何一个地方，你都要根据当地的这个条件、当地的需求来进行优化你的这个技术吧。
Суть проекта заключается в защите Астаны от ветра и пыли. Климат столицы резко континентальный, очень часто дуют штормовые ветра и бураны. Проект по созданию зеленого пояса вокруг Астаны позволяет создать благоприятный климат в городе.